Hey, welcome to Master None Garage. I'm Andrew. This is Mikey.
I'm Mikey.
And today, I lock my keys inside of the Caprice and we run back and forth a lot. So let me break down the situation. After the car show in November, I decided to go down a driveway that probably I shouldn't have gone down, and I ripped a hole in my AN fitting on the rear sump of the fuel tank. So I just need to pull that AN fitting off, put this new one on, and hook everything up. But the thing is, I only have channel locks and some janky pliers, so I'm just gonna get into it, I guess. And Mikey's gonna be on his phone and then like adding commentary, I guess. Okay.
Did you weld that on your tank?
Did I weld this on?
Yeah.
Yeah, I sure did.
So for real?
Yeah, I welded it. It's probably not the best setup because the car is so low. Yeah. So, you know, you live and learn. That's why I'm going fuel cell.
I'll learn and live. You're sitting on the exhaust. That's pretty dope.
I know. I'm pretty dope myself.
That man got the 1970 pliers out.
Mm-hmm.
The pliers nobody uses.
Uh-huh. I told you, janky ass pliers.
I'm terrible though.
No, you're pretty great.
I'm grape flavored.
You're grape flavored. You're pretty great.
Ever tell you the story how I found out my wife is my sister?
All right, don't make shit up now, Mikey. Come on now. This for kids over here. I try to keep my channel clean, Mikey.
I try to keep it grape flavored.
Oh yeah. I just gotta swap out this fitting, put the new fitting on, and we'd be good to go. And I'll put some fuel in this thing. This year, I'm gonna be doing a lot of cool things to it, Lord willing.
Oh, the Montero thing, it didn't work.
Montero is
that was a waste of money.
Metal right now.
It done became soda cans.
She gone. She gone. And hopefully it don't leak.
Maybe it's too easy.
It could be too easy and it just leaks everywhere.
Yeah, maybe we're just like happy for nothing.
Yeah. Are you okay, Mikey?
I'm dying.
Oh, we got power. That's good. Yeah. Hollow bumpers in the back. Well, Andrew did a stupid thing and he locked the keys on the inside of the trunk. So I'm gonna try and figure out how to open this thing without destroying my lock cylinder. Please hold. All right, so new plan. Couldn't get the trunk open, so we're gonna go back over to my house and we are going to try and find my spare set of keys for the Caprice. This is not how I wanted this to go, but you know, we're gonna try and get it done. All right, a little quick update. We might have found the keys. Might have found the spare keys. Might have. But we're gonna go back over to my parents and we're gonna, hopefully, these turn the lock cylinder just perfect. And then we'll be on our way. And we're back. So, got the keys. So I'm gonna try this. Oh, thank God. And there's the keys. There's the keys. So yeah, we're gonna start this now, I guess. It's doing stuff. Oh, there's some fuel. Yeah, that's the smiley Andrew I like. There it is. There it is. Oh. Oh, she's running. You gotta love love EFI. No leaks?
No leaky leaks.
Yay! All right, we're gonna get this thing home. So I'm at a stoplight, and I mean, you hear it. That thing is howling, and now it's quiet. So that's one of the reasons why I'm doing a new fuel system. That inline fuel pump is just, it's cheap and it's trash. But I'm on my way back, and I think this car will do a whole lot better with a new fuel system, especially with that surge tank that I built in a previous video. Yeah, so it's kind of running like garbage right now, but we're gonna make it. All right, we're pulling into my road. That thing is howling. Definitely have a fuel starvation issue. It's probably a combination of that pump just being worn out and not a good pump to begin with, and maybe even something wrong with the fuel injectors, fuel rail, something. But something ain't right, and this thing ain't happy. But we're just pulling in, and we made it. And I'm gonna park this, and I'm gonna scrape on the ground a couple times. Hopefully I don't get stuck. Oh, and it goes quiet. Yeah. And there she goes. So, I'm gonna wait for Mikey, and we're gonna be taking the van to go get this rear axle. But if you want to know what we got in store for the future for the channel, join me in the next episode of Master Unknown Garage, and remember to comment down below on what you think I should do with the Caprice, and join me in the next episode, and we'll get to do a walk around of the Caprice. I'm going to try and keep these videos short and sweet. I'll see you in the next one, and yeah, goodbye.
Hey there, bud.
Do it again.
Hey there, bud.
Do it again.
Hey there, bud.
Hey there, bud.
Hey there, bud.
Hey there, bud.